Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 13. Culture and Heritage. The Samaka Saralama Jatara festival is celebrated in the Medaram village. The Nizamabad Nandi is a famous sculpture located in which district of Telangana? Nizamabad. The Bathakama festival of Telangana is celebrated during which Hindu month? Ashwayuha. The traditional musical instrument of Telangana, Dapu, is used during which festival? Banalu. The Gadwal saris of Telangana are known for their zari work. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is also known as Shepherd's Hill. The Thousand Pillar Temple in Telangana is located in which city? Hanamkonda. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is famous for its sound and light show. The Devarakonda Fort in Telangana was built by the Padma Nayaka dynasty. The Banalu festival in Telangana is celebrated with offerings of Bonum, cooked rice. The Warangal Ramappa temple in Telangana is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The Kakatiya Rock Garden in Telangana is located in which city? Warangal. The traditional folk songs of Telangana, known as Gusadi, are sung during festivals and celebrations. The Sarornagar Palace in Telangana was built during the reign of which dynasty? Qutbi Shahi dynasty. The Cherial scroll painting of Telangana is famous for depicting scenes from Ramayana and Mahabharata. The traditional art of Telangana, Bidrai art, is known for its silver inlay work on metal. The Cherial scroll painting of Telangana typically depicts scenes from Hindu mythology. The Makar Sankranti festival in Telangana is also known as Peda Panduga. The traditional dance form of Telangana, Kalatam, is performed with sticks. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.